Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free web accessibility and usability plugin. The name of the plugin is Ally and it is developed by Elementor. Now that does not mean it is going to work with only Elementor plugin. You can install and use this plugin on any theme and any plugin. You can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 200,000 WordPress websites. This plugin has free as well as premium version. However, in this video, we are going to install only the free version. Let me show you an example. I have installed this plugin on this demo e-commerce website, and in the bottom left hand corner, you will see this icon for the web accessibility. If I click on it, it is going to open a pop-up window and you will see all the capabilities available in the free plugin. If I click on bigger text, it is going to increase the text size on the website. You will see the changes here. Here you will see bigger line height. It is going to increase the line height. Then text align. It is going to change the text align to the right or to the left. Then we have readable font. Grayscale. It is going to change all the colors on your website and it is going to use only gray color. Then we have contrast. It will change the contrast on the website. Then we have page structure, reading mask, hide images, pause animation, outline focus and highlight links capability. So all these capabilities are available in the free plugin. So let's see how we can install and use the free Ally web accessibility and usability plugin. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo Elementor WooCommerce website. So I'm using Elementor, Elementor Pro and WooCommerce plugin on this website. Now we are going to install free web accessibility and usability plugin. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for Ally. So this is the name of the plugin, Ally web accessibility and usability. It is developed by Elementor and you can see that it has been installed on more than 200,000 WordPress websites. So click on install now and click on activate. Now here you will see Ally web accessibility get started. Click on get started. Let's improve your site's accessibility. Make your site more inclusive with Ally web accessibility. Fully customizable design, feature management and control, accessibility statement generator. So let's click on get started. Now it will ask you to connect your website with Elementor account. If you do not have Elementor account, you can create a free account on Elementor website. I'm already using Elementor account. I'm using Elementor hosting also. So I have an Elementor account. So I'm going to use that account. Let's click on approve and connect. So remember, if you do not have account on Elementor, you can create a new account on Elementor for free. Alright, so it says you're all set. Click done. And we are on the dashboard of the Ally plugin. At the top, we have design. Here you can customize the layout of the icon that you're going to show on your website. Before that, let's open the website and see how does this look. So I'm going to open the website. And you will see the icon here. That is the accessibility icon. Currently, it is set to bottom right hand corner and this is the icon. If you want to change the icon, you can select any one of these icons. This is the size of the icon. Currently, it is set to this size. You can change the size. You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. I'm going to make it bigger. And you can also change the color setting. Currently, it is using the blue color. According to your website, you can change the color for this icon. So I'm going to change the color. Let's use another color. Let's try this one. All right, let's try this one. So this is going to be the color. Now this is the corner radius. You can change it and you will see the changes here. So this one looks good to me. Then we have position. Where do you want to show this icon? Currently it is set to bottom right hand corner. You can change to bottom left, top right, top center, center left, center right and bottom center. So according to your requirement, you can change the position of the icon. If you want to hide this icon on desktop, you can enable this option and it is not going to show this icon on the desktop. All right, so let's enable it. Here at the top, you will see mobile. Where do you want to show this icon on mobile devices? So on the mobile device, I want to show it, let's say here. And if you do not want to show on the mobile, you can hide this icon on the mobile. Let's save the changes. Let's go back to the website. Let's refresh the website. Now you will see the icon is in the bottom left hand corner, and this is the color of the icon and the size of the icon. If I click on it, it will open the accessibility window. So at the top you will see bigger text. If I click on it, it is going to increase the text. You will see the change in the text size. You can make it more bigger like this. So all the text size is increased. Right at the top you will see reset option. You can click on it and reset the changes. Then we have bigger line height. If I click on it, it is going to change the line height. You will see the distance between these two lines is changing. Then we have text align to the left or to the right. So from here, user will be able to change the text align. Then we have readable font. You will see a readable font, changing the font here. Then we have grayscale. It is going to change the color of your website. It is going to use gray color all over the website now. Then we have contrast. It is going to change the color. It is going to make more contrast. You will see the changes here. All right, let's reset it. Then we have page structure. It is going to show the structure of the page. At the top you have H4. Then we have H1. You will see this is the H1 tab. You will see this is the H1 text. Then we have H2. If I want to go there, I can simply click on it and it will go to that section like this. All right, let's go back and let's go to the next option, that is reading mask. So this is a reading mask. It is going to highlight that section. From here they can change the text size also. So in order to deselect, you can simply click on it again. Hide images. It is going to hide all the images from the page. You will see this image. If I hide the image, all the images are gone. Then we have pause animation. If there is any animation on your website, it is going to pause the animation. Outline focus. Let's select this one. All right, it does not show any change here. All right, it's not showing anything here. Let's highlight the link. So if there is a link on your website, it is going to highlight the links. So these are the links on your website. This is also a link, and this entire image is also a link. This is a link. All these are links. So uncheck it. And this is hide widget. You can hide the widget only for this section, 24 hours a week, not now. Let's close it. Now below the design we have capabilities, and these are the options which you can disable or enable on the widget. So we have bigger text, which is already enabled. Bigger line height is also enabled. Page structure is enabled. We can also enable site map. And from here you can select the site map URL, so it will show the site map on the widget. Then we have reading mask, hide images, highlight links. The screen reader is not available in the free version. You will need to go for pro version in order to get screen reader. Then we have Ally by Elementor logo. You will see that at the bottom. If I open this widget, you will see this Ally by Elementor. If you want to disable it, you will need to go for pro plugin. Skip to main content option is also enabled already. Then we have statement. Let's go to statement, and you can generate the accessibility statement. You will see an option, yes, I need one. No, I already have one. So let's create a new statement here. So click on yes, I need one and click continue. Here you can enter your website name. Let's enter the website name here. And the URL of this website, I'm using demo website. So I have entered the demo website URL. Here I'm going to add the email address. Right now you will see all these information is updated here. This is going to be the statement for the website, and you will see the business name is there. Then email address is there. and the URL of the website is there. Let's click on create statement and a page. So it is going to create a page, and on that page it is going to put this statement. Let's click on got it, and here you will see the accessibility statement. It will be added on the widget. Let's refresh it. And if I open it, you will see the accessibility statement is there. If I click on it, it is going to open that page. This page is created automatically. You will see the business name, URL, and the email address. All right, let's go back. If you want to hide this link, you can enable this option and hide the link. Then we have analytics, which is again a part of Pro plugin. So basically in the free version, you will get an option to customize the widget, and you can enable or disable these capabilities. If I go to the pricing of this plugin, you will see the free version in which you can have 10,000 visits per month. It is not the number of pages, it is going to be 10,000 unique visitors for a month. And the Pro version will cost you $60 per year for a single website, in which you will get 25,000 visits per month. White label, you can make it white label. Screen reader is also available in the Pro version. A tool that reads website content aloud for visually impaired users, improving the site navigation and accessibility. So if you want to go for the Pro plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.